aggressive back massage, you guys.
Giving it. Alive. Swing. Alive. Hit him!
Arm, attack, the swing.
Hit the pitch.
What do you mean,
What swing is?
Close. One, two.
Swing. John, swing.
Look like you mean it.
Keep swinging. Pretty good.
Move!
Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
See me.
Alive.
Swing. Swing.
Please do. Come here.
Alive.
Good luck. We're all counting on you.
Choke down.
Alive.
One-handed.
Okay, back in.
Swing, John.
Alive. Give me your whole back, by the way.
Swing on Georgia. Swing on Georgia.
Alive.
Oh, man. Keep going for that shot. Only if I do it.
1, 2. Shit.
Swing.
Swing! Hey, yo, swoop. You can do it. Step off. Step off. Swing. Knock. Swing. 1, 2. Look at my hands. Look at my hands.
Swing with
What, shove forward.
by the way. Okay. You got me, but it was too late.
So. No. Do it again. No. Do it again. Closer. Do it again. What? No. Do it again.
Hi, buddy.
No. You're not choking up. No.
Choke up. Choke.
This hand. This hand.
Thank you.
Yes. But
Nice shot,
swing.
Jason.
Yes. Too close. No. No. Swing. Yes. Swing. Yes. Swing. No. You didn't choke up. You would have hit me. No.
Don't creep up.
Where have you guys been on Sunday?
Didn't jump up enough. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yes. See the difference?
Have you guys had any big battles, like,
That's it. Go do that. Make sure your hands touch. Every time your hand touches, that counts as one.
Okay.
Do it 25 times.
Yes, sir. Just watch that rush. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
That was a good shot. Oh, I'm going to feel that one. That was kind of flat. Oh, was it? Yeah. That hurt.
That arm after.
You got one on before.
The old man's going easy on me.
Yeah, he is.
What a nice guy.
Oh.
Sorry, was that too bad, G?
No.
Okay.
How many times did you do it?
All right.
What did you do? Show me.
Slide. 1, 2,
Do this.
3. Back up. Hello. Push your legs.
Alright.
Push your legs. There you go. Push your legs. Stay in the same spot. No. Yes. Throw it out there. This mark's not even moving. You're doing this. There you go. Don't stop it. Don't stop it.
I'll keep three after you do
You let
something.
their body weight stop.
Still learning.
Right?
Hey, stop stopping. Throw it. Go all the way on your body. There you go. Don't stop it. Shit, you're gonna hurt yourself. You're putting negative energy into
Hey
that
guys,
tendon.
last line. If you're
Throw.
injured, heal. If you're dead, res.
Hurt your whole body. Take the energy out of it. There you go. Swing. Lower your hips.
I just didn't swing hard. I let you walk into it.
Going down on the armbar.
All right, I'm getting